It just feels like I'm drowning sometimes. Like I'm on a boat, alone at sea, but they wonder why I still miss them. Well, I was drowning, but eventually everyone misses the ocean. Sometimes though, with them, it felt like I was being dragged down under just dragged under the waves, you know? And the best thing I could have done was just let go. So I did. But I still miss them. Doesn't matter now. We're all in the same boat. And we're all going down. Man, I just got a float too. I guess you can face oblivion, screaming, laughing, or drowning. And it's not always your choice.